Hello, I'm Lucy. I'm a professional baker and cake decorator. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make chocolate bombs, a perfect and cosy treat for winter. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. You will need metal piping tips and piping bags, baking tray, a silicone sphere mould. This mould's spheres have a diameter of 5 centimeters, sprinkles, and a spoon to mix the melted chocolate, marshmallows, hot chocolate powder, your choice of chocolate. We've got dark, milk and white. Choose your chocolate. For this video, we're going to use 2 bars of dark chocolate. Break your chocolate up into a bowl. Melt your chocolate in the microwave using short 15-second intervals. Stir the chocolate after each interval until smooth, glossy and completely melted. Pour spoonfuls of melted chocolate into the mould and then spread it up around the sides. Make sure that you go right up to the edge. Place your mould onto a baking tray. This will help keep the soft mould from moving around. Put the mould in the fridge to set for 15 minutes and then repeat this with another layer of chocolate using the same method. Once fully set, carefully pop the halves out of the moulds. Turn over your mould and use that to hold the half spheres ready for filling. Add the filling to half the spheres. This is really down to taste, but remembering that all of the chocolate from the sphere will be used to flavour the drink. I use 1 teaspoon of hot chocolate powder per sphere, then top with marshmallows. Place a pan on heat for 1 minute. Turn this upside down. Take a half sphere and place it on the bottom of the hot pan for a few seconds until you begin to see the edge begin to melt. Place this on top of the half that you have filled with powder and marshmallows. Melt 50 grams of white chocolate and place into a piping bag. Snip a small piece of the tip of the piping bag and drizzle the white chocolate over the chocolate bombs. Cover the bombs with sprinkles and leave to cool. To enjoy your chocolate bomb, put it in a mug and pour hot milk over to melt. Go to hobbycraft.co.uk to book a workshop, find your next craft project or learn a new skill. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and we'd love to see your thoughts in the comments. See you soon for more videos.